Recording.
Am I in the frame?
You are.
Okay, so can you still see the aircraft? I'm going to turn it around here.
Yeah.
And is that square, the little white and black square thing, visible?
Yep.
Okay, both of them. And then this one, right here.
Okay. Now, yep, got it now.
Is that visible?
Yep, that is. Yep.
Okay, so I'm backing out, and I'm going to put, you can see I'm putting the battery back in.
Yeah.
And we'll start, is it next to start?
It's turn on both app and AC.
Okay, AC. You can see me.
I can see you.
Next.
Enter DSI pilot and calibrate compass.
Okay. Reboot. It's going to be a long video. Machine's on. This is on. DJI pilot is launching. I just deleted about 200 or 300 photos from my iPhone. Okay, entering pilot. Can you see here?
I can't see that. I can see the screen, but I can't see what's on it. Okay, that's better.
Okay. Compass. Oops. Okay. Calibrate compass. Okay. I'm going to do it this way. Okay, it says.
Okay, then we're.
Wait, stay still. You read okay?
Yep, that's good. I can read that.
Okay. So pushing OK. Next.
Format SD card.
SD card format. Can you read that little thing there?
Yep. Yeah.
Says successful. You can read that?
Yep.
Okay. Now.
5 is check IMUs.
IMUs. Let's go to the IMUs here. It says normal. GPS. Sensor state.
Okay, you're gonna have to bring that in a bit.
Sensor state.
Move that over there a little bit.
And there's the IMUs there.
Good. Okay.
Right here.
Yep.
Read that?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Now you've got to exercise gimbal.
Exercise the gimbal. Okay, let's go to the gimbal. And gimbal. Just a second. Okay. Camera forward and down. See the gimbal? And if I move left or right,
CSC blade start.
Okay. Here we go.
It's number
You can
7.
see my hands?
I can see your hands. We have blade start.
Okay. Next.
Bring to hover.
You see it?
But you need to move to your forward a bit. No, that way. Okay, you're good. You're good right there.
You see that? Okay, next.
Full hover check.
Okay. I'm going to back it up just a little bit. Okay. Back. Right. Back to center. Rotate left. Rotate right. You can see it all right? Is it in the sky? Or?
Right in the middle, and I can see it.
Okay.
It's got the sky behind it now.
Okay.
You don't want to go any lower though,
Up.
or any higher. Whoa, whoa, whoa! No, I'm starting to lose it.
Down.
That's good.
Okay, and then forward and back. Okay, so you're silent. Next.
Yeah.
Next.
10 is record video. Use Zoom.
Okay, here we go. Let's go with the video. Recording video and zooming in. And zooming out. Okay. Done.
Playback.
What do you want to play back?
Playback video.
Okay, so can you see this?
There we go. Now I've got it.
That's got it? Okay, here's the playback. Visible?
Yeah.
Get the shadow in front of it. Push the cardboard. There we go. That visible?
Yep.
Okay, next.
Next is go up 20 meters and hover. Okay, you're gonna have to go out quite a bit when you get the angle right.
I'm going to go back up a bit.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, you're good. I can still see it.
Oh, we gotta go. Hang on. Unit setting. You gotta go to meters here. Okay. So what now? Up to where?
Up to 20 hover.
20 meters.
Yeah. And then I think it says go to 220 to 120 or something. Don't go too high. I can't get the angle.
Okay, it's all right. Now leave it there for now. Let's see this. You want to focus on here.
Okay.
We're at 29 meters.
Okay. Bring it in a bit. Can you bring the screen in a bit? Okay, good. Move the cardboard out of that way a bit. Oh, there. Let me know in. Here we go.
There's 80 meters. We're looking right here.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
can see that?
Yeah.
Go up to 200 meters. No, I can only go
It
to
says 120.
120. That's my max. There it is right there.
Okay.
Okay. Now what?
Yeah.
Now we got to go to 200 meters away.
Oh, that's what that is. Okay. Yeah.
We're backing
Okay,
out.
return. Then it says.
Can you see the numbers there still?
Yep. I can see the screen. It's not very good, but I can see the screen.
Keep the that's it. Keep the cardboard on it. There's that it.
I think that's. Okay.
And there's 200 meters. There's 290 meters actually away. Okay.
Yeah.
So
okay.
next.
And now and then it says show distance. You've done.
That's
Then
right, yeah.
14 is return and land.
Okay. Coming back to land.
Okay.
I'm gonna walk out here.
Yeah, you're good right there. got you in the frame. I don't.
See it in view yet?
Yes, just. I can basically see the sun reflecting off of it. That's about it. Coming in. Got it. Yep.
All the way to the ground.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, I can
Last
see
thing.
both of you. And then it says stop recording.
Okay. Just touch it.